So in this TradingView tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to sign out of an account here on the TradingView application. So the first thing you have to do is open up TradingView. Once that is done, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on the menus tab or the menus icon right here. Once that is done, just simply scroll down all the way to the bottom, and in red it says sign out. So if you want to go ahead and press on sign out, for instance, it'll say right here, do you really want to sign out? I'll just do this for this example, press on yes. So once that's done, it'll take a couple seconds to sign out of your account. But once that is done, if you go to menu one more time, you are now signed out of your account. Just like this. So super simple, super straightforward, but that is how to sign out of an account here on TradingView. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.